treat me like a doctor.
What?
Don't treat me like a child. Treat me like a colleague.
Treat me like a stranger. Treat me like a stranger ឃ្លាមួយនេះមានន័យថាធ្វើដាក់ខ្ញុំដូចជាមនុស្សមិនស្គាល់គ្នាឬមនុស្សចម្លែកយើងប្រើឃ្លា treat someone like អ្វីមួយដើម្បីមានន័យថាធ្វើដាក់ឬចាត់ទុកនរណាម្នាក់ដូចអ្វីមួយឧទាហរណ៍ Stop treating me like your servant. I'm your friend. Stop treating me like your servant. I'm your friend. មានន័យថាឈប់ធ្វើដាក់ខ្ញុំឬចាត់ទុកខ្ញុំដូចជាអ្នកបម្រើរបស់អ្នកឯងមើលខ្ញុំជាមិត្តរបស់អ្នកឯងណាឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀត Don't treat me like an idiot. I know you've been cheating on me. Don't treat me like an idiot. I know you've been cheating on me. មានន័យថាកុំធ្វើដាក់ខ្ញុំឬចាត់ទុកខ្ញុំដូចជាមនុស្សភ្លីភ្លើមិនដឹងខ្យល់អីខ្ញុំដឹងថាអ្នកឯងបានកំពុងផាត់ក្បត់ខ្ញុំ
Treating me like a dog, Mr. White.
Everybody treats me like a queen.
Treat me like a baby.
Who treats me like a queen?
Han treats me like...
Stop treating me like that.
Well, like what?
Treat me like a doormat.
Treating me like a joke.
Treat me like a lady.
Treat me like a stranger.
Daddy didn't treat me like a baby.
But then you just treat me like garbage.
You're treating me like a stranger?
Treats me like an idiot.
Like insulting me, treating me like a criminal.
He treats me like a baby.
Treating me like dirt.
She treats me like a queen.
What are you doing? You're treating me like a patient.
Have treated me like a son.